Hi, Max. Hey, Manny. Okay, hello, everyone. What a miserable freaking day. Alright, well, a week or so ago, I was backing my truck into the garage. And as I was trying to fit it in, because I have too much shit in my garage, by mirror, broke it off. So I got a new mirror. The attempt today is going to be to replace the mirror, but I got to move all these things around to get it in the garage because it's ugly out. Oh yeah, and I got a freaking flat on the Jetta, and I got to do front bearing on the Jetta again because the one I did last year is gone. Anyways, fun stuff. All right, there's my boys, my daughter's boy visiting. All right, here we go. Okay, here we are. We're back. Everything's been moved around, and look, not a lot of room, eh? Because of this big beast that's just been sitting here waiting for me. Sorry, buddy. But when the dailies have issues, you got to deal with them first, right? Anywho, there's a new mirror. Nice. And from what I've gathered online, I have to take the clip out in there. I don't know if you can see that little tab there. There's a bolt under there. This back plastic tab comes out. There's a bolt under there. And then one bolt there. And I don't know how well you guys are seeing that one bolt there. Alright, it's not rocket science, but we'll see what happens. I'm working a little bit disabled too, as you can see. My wrist has been acting up ever since I did the ball joint on the truck, so see how she goes. All right. Oh, this hand makes life so miserable. That's my suggestion, boys, get picks with handles on them, not double-ended picks, because they stab your hand. Okay, got this handle. Ah, much gooder. There we go. There we go. Aha. Number 2. Okay, I believe that's an 8 mil. So what do we got here? We got that one. That one there. Okay, and this, I cannot see the size, unfortunately, on my bit, but I think it was an 8 mil. Two. Okay, you guys are lucky today. I don't have my eye and my glasses. My kid told me this is 1/4, so 1/4 for the bottom ones. Alright, now is the fun part. That's it. It's turning out to be, I shouldn't say it, but it might be easier than I expected. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these are the 3 bolts for the I have the mirror in. But obviously they're not there because they's gone. The mirror broke off, but the bolts are still there. Well, I guess anticipation of this thing being broken off, these guys made it easy to change, eh? So, thanks, Ford. Oh, yeah, that was good. You guys get my back on that? Nice. All right, there it is, all in, 3 bolts. So, in the end, it's just 1, 2, 3 for the mirror, and plug in the connector. All right, let's put it all back together now. There we have it. Perfect. Hopefully I don't break it pulling out of the garage. Not too bad at all.